Good morning and afternoon everyone. My name is Sebilullah Adinda Talia. My student ID number is 152405552. And in this present action, I will explain the difference and function of software, operation system and hardware. These three components are an essential part of any computer system, and understanding how they work together is very important. Let's begin. Pengertian atau introduction. Electronic devices like computer and smartphone are a part of daily life. However, most people focus only on the physical aspects hardware, without realizing that what makes the device work are the software and the operating system. Software is a set of digital instructions that tell the computer what to do. Operating system is the primary software that manages all basic functions and acts as a break between the user and the hardware. Objective of the presentations. Number 1 is understand the definition of software. Number 2, identify the types of software. Number 3, understand the functions and example of operating system. And number 4, learn how software and OS are related. What is software? Software is a collection of instructions or programs executed by a computer. Unlike hardware, software is intangible. It cannot be touched physically. Without software, hardware cannot perform any tasks. Example in daily life. Microsoft Word is for writing documents. Google Chrome is for browsing. Spotify is for playing music. Specific tasks. Number 2 is connect user with hardware. Number 3, provide usability tool and feature. Next, types of software, jenis-jenis softwarenya. Number 1 is system software, manage and control hardware functions. Example operating system, Windows, MacOS and Linux driver utilities. Number 2 is application software, used by user that perform specific tasks. Contohnya, example-nya Microsoft Word, Zoom, Canva, and WhatsApp. Number 3 is programming software, tools used by developers to build other software. Example-nya itu contohnya Visual Studio, Codeblocks, and Python IDE. Next, apa sih operating system itu? What is an operating system? An operating system is the core software that manages all computer activities, from booting up the system to running application. It's as a break between user and hardware. Without an operating system, a computer cannot be used at all because there will be no system to control basic tasks, such as reading the keyboard, managing RAM, or displaying content of the screen. Next, fungsi dari operating system atau functions of an operating system. Number 1 is hardware management, control the use of CPU, RAM, hard drive, and other components to avoid conflict. Number 2 is application execution, allow other software to run on top of the OS. Number 3 is user interface UI, provide graphical or command-based interface for interaction. Number 4, file the directory management, organize folder, file storage, and access permission. And number 5 is system security, protect against virus, not storage access, and system crashes. And next, example of operating system itu contohnya as Windows, Linux, MacOS, and Androids. Next, relationships between operating system and software. Number 1, the operating system is the foundation of the entire computer system. Number 2, all of the application software is built on top of the OS operating system. Then number 3, example, you can open TikTok if your phone operating system is not running. Analogi, OS atau operating system is hardware and software sama dengan cars. If there no hardware operating system, the cars software can move. Next, and conclusion. Software includes all digital programs that help run the computer. The operating system is the most essential software that manages all computer activity. Without as computer is just ill-feel magic. And thank you. Sekarang kita ke hardware. Hardware is a set of physical components inside a computer whose job is to arrange computer device so that the computer can function properly. Or in other words, hardware can also mean a physical computer device that can be touched. Its content are related to the computer working system. And definition according to experts. Next. Definition of hardware according to experts. Sonarto Escom. Hardware is an electronic data processing system supporting devices that can be felt and touched. And Wijaya Aryana and Denny Afrento. Hardware is a computer component that can be felt physically, which can be seen and touched. Next. Hardware functions. Fungsi hardware. As electrical support, charge, output, process, and input, all types of hardware will be connected in an integrated system so that it can function for data input, processing, and output. Next. Types of hardware in computer. Tipe-tipe atau jenisnya hardware. Number 1, hardware input. Number 2 is process device. And number 3, hardware input. Next. Example of hardware on a computer. Number 1 is power supply. To change the volts from AC to D and then supply the volts to components that require current and voltage. Number 2 is processor or CPU, a central processing unit, to manage all program instruction on the computer and also as a place to manage all activities that occur in the computer. And number 3 is motherboard, to connect and control all major elements on a computer or digital device. And number 5, hard disk, for booting the computer, the storage medium for the operating system used by the computer, and as a data storage medium more size in storage that user can store a lot of data there. And next, number 5, video adapter atau GPU dan VGA card. Number 2 and sound card. Then number 8, casing for placing hardware components such as power supply, floppy disk, motherboard, CD-ROM, and DVD-ROM. Number monitor, tabung, chart, LCD analog, or screen that include turning the display on and on off, controlling the brightness, contrast, and position of the resulting information video. Number 8, speaker then headset, to output electrical signal processing in the form of sound that is very important is running a computer, and keyboard to enter character and functions into computer system by pressing keys. And terakhir and last, mouse and touchpad. Mouse to control the cursor in the GUI and thumb on the user to select time, icon, files, and folders, while the touchpad has the same function as a mouse and on all computers, but the touchpad is usually only used on left device. In conclusion, hardware and software are two key elements that support its order in computer system. Thank you for attention, and I hope this presentation was informative.